Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Jack.
And I'm Olivia. It's great to see you again, or maybe hear you again.
Yes, exactly. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our daily English lessons.
Every day, we help you learn real, simple English for everyday life. Today's topic is one of my favorites, food and coffee.
Yes. We're going to a cafe together. You'll learn how to order drinks, snacks, and ask for the bill all in English.
Perfect! So, grab your cup of coffee and let's start.
Okay, Olivia, imagine this. It's a sunny afternoon, and we're walking into a small cafe in town.
I can already smell the coffee.
Yes, the smell of fresh coffee beans. There are small wooden tables, quiet music, and a friendly barista behind the counter.
Sounds perfect. So, who orders first? You or me?
Ladies first, of course.
All right, then.
Okay, let's begin our cafe scene.
Good afternoon. Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Of course. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'll have a latte, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can I have oat milk instead of regular milk?
Sure. One hot oat latte. Would you like any sugar?
No, thank you. I like it plain.
All right. Anything else?
Yes. Could I also have a blueberry muffin, please?
Of course. That'll be £5.50.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. You can take a seat and I'll bring it over.
Thank you.
That was very polite, Olivia.
Thank you. I think being polite is always important, especially when ordering food.
All right. Now it's my turn.
And next, please.
Good afternoon. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Would you like it large or small?
Small, please. And could I get a croissant as well?
Of course. Butter or chocolate?
Oh, definitely chocolate.
Good choice. Anything else today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That will be £4.20, please.
Here's a 5. You can keep the change.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thanks a lot.
See? That's how you do it. Simple, polite, and friendly.
Exactly. Now let's sit down and enjoy our coffee. So, Olivia, what's your favorite drink at a cafe?
It depends on the day. In the morning, I like a latte or flat white. In the afternoon, maybe an iced coffee.
What about tea?
Of course. I'm Canadian. We drink both coffee and tea. But in the evening, I prefer herbal tea, maybe chamomile or mint.
Nice. I'm British, so I have to say I love tea, but I also enjoy a strong espresso when I need energy.
I can imagine that. You always sound awake.
That's the espresso talking.
What do you usually eat at a cafe?
Usually a croissant or sandwich, but sometimes just coffee if I'm in a hurry.
Same here. I like having a small snack, maybe a muffin or toast with jam.
Okay, let's teach our listeners some useful questions they can use in a cafe.
Good idea. Let's go one by one.
You can ask, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Do you have oat milk?
"How much is this?"
Can I pay by card?
"Can I sit here?"
Perfect. And don't forget to use please and thank you. They make everything sound friendlier.
Absolutely. If you're in the UK or Canada, politeness is very important in cafes.
Yes, even a smile makes a big difference.
Let's review a few polite expressions.
Sure, for example, could I have? It's a softer, polite way to order. I'd like, another nice option. Can I get? More casual, but still friendly.
And when you receive your drink, you can say, "Thank you. Thanks a lot. That looks great."
Exactly. And when you leave the cafe, you can say, "Have a nice day. See you next time."
Simple phrases, but they make your English sound natural and kind.
All right, let's do a little role-playing practice for our listeners.
Okay, I'll be the customer first, and you'll be the barista.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a medium cappuccino, please.
Would you like any sugar?
No, thank you. Just milk, please.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, can I have a cheese sandwich?
Of course. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
That'll be £6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Perfect.
Nice. Now let's switch roles.
Hi there. What can I get you?
Hi, can I have an iced latte, please?
Sure. With sugar or without?
Without, thank you. Oh, and can I have a slice of chocolate cake, too?
Absolutely. That'll be $6.50.
Here's my card.
Tap here, please. Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Thanks. You too.
You know, cafes are a great place to practice English.
Yes, you can order, chat with the barista, or even make small talk with people around you.
Exactly. For example, you can say, "Is this seat free? I love the music here. Do you come here often?"
Small talk like that makes you sound friendly and confident.
And don't worry about mistakes. People in cafes are used to hearing different accents. They'll understand you and even help you.
That's true. I've seen many people learn new words just by ordering coffee every day.
Now, let's talk about paying. How do you ask for the bill politely?
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Could I pay, please?" Or simply, "Can I pay by card?"
And when you finish, always say, "Thank you very much," or "Thanks. Have a nice day."
Yes. Simple words, but they show respect.
All right, let's review some key expressions from today's cafe lesson.
Good idea. Repeat after us.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I have a muffin?
How much is this?
Can I pay by card?
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Perfect. These phrases are short, easy, and very common in English-speaking cafes.
If you learn just these, you can confidently order food or drinks anywhere in London, Toronto, New York, or Sydney.
Before we finish, let's look at one small grammar point using would like.
Yes, I would like or I'd like is a polite way to say I want.
For example, I'd like a cup of coffee equals I want a cup of coffee, but more polite.
Exactly. It's perfect in restaurants or cafes.
You can also say, I'd like to order a sandwich. I'd like some water, please.
And when you're not sure, just remember, if you use I'd like, you always sound nice.
Well, that's all for today's lesson, Lesson 3, at the cafe, ordering food and drinks.
We hope you enjoyed it, and maybe now you're craving a cup of coffee.
I know I am.
Next time you go to a cafe, try using these English phrases. It's great practice.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy English Daily, and share it with your friends who love learning English.
We'll see you again tomorrow with another simple, fun English lesson.
Until then, keep learning, stay positive, and enjoy your coffee.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Have a great day.